G'day, this is Dan from Very Edible Gardens, and I want to tell you about the rocket barrel oven workshops that we run in central Victoria. We bring together appropriate technology, wizards, tinkerers and pyromaniacs, Tim Barker and Joel Meadows. We take participants through the theory and the practice of building a rocket barrel oven from scratch. Now, a rocket barrel oven is an incredibly exciting outdoor oven. It's a fully functional oven, heated using handfuls of twigs. Because the combustion is efficient, meaning no smoke, that's right, no smoke, they get up to temperature in 10 to 15 minutes. And of course they'll service all your baking needs, all your breads, cakes, muffins, pizzas, you name it. And compared to a traditional cob oven having to wait 3 or 4 hours using like a barrow load or more of wood, they're a lot more appropriate to your average backyard, and you're going to find yourself using them a lot more. That's what they're all about. If you're interested, check one of these workshops out.